Mathematics is all about beauty and order. It's when people can somehow perceive the art of chaos to make it beautifully arranged. As for today, we are going to learn the beauty of shapes and objects. It's a mathematical branch called topology. These are two of the most famous non-orientable manifolds, and as you may already know, we have the Mobius Strip on the left and the Klein Bottle on the right. And I am Sophia, and I will be assisting you guys through this topological journey. So the Klein bottle is a two-dimensional manifold in mathematics. Klein bottles can be represented in 3 dimensions with their own intersection and as 4-dimensional objects without material intersection. The question we've all been wondering is, can we make a 3D model of a Klein bottle, and why can't it exist in a third-dimensional world? Is there any chance we can imagine how it's going to look like in the 4th dimension? For me to be able to answer these questions, the first thing that I did for this research is to try to understand the properties of the objects. I then clarified the correlation, then I imagined the 4th dimension, apply the same logic so that I can project the object in the 3rd-dimensional plane model using Grapher and macOS to prove the existence of the intersection and finally reach the conclusion. We can now see in the picture on the left that the structure of the Klein bottle, when we split it up into two particular objects, it is proof that the Klein bottle is actually two Mobius loops sewed together. And in the picture in the middle, that is a 3D model of a Klein bottle I made using a simple parametric equation of this Klein bottle. And as seen in the simplified and colorized version of the Klein bottle, the picture on the right, the blue line right here between the green and the orange plane show its intersection. This blue line doesn't necessarily have to exist in the 4th dimensional world if we apply the logic of adding heights to the W plane to these circumstances, in which we can add heights to avoid the creation of this intersection. So now that we reached the conclusion part, I wanted to tell you that the whole point of this research is for us to see that both of the Möbius loop and the Klein bottle have interesting and useful geometrical and topological properties, and that the Klein bottle does not intersect with itself in the 4th dimension. Although the Klein bottle consists of two connected Möbius loops, but their topological properties are not the same. In the future, I would like to know more and provide more research about the Golden ratio's involvement in the topological mathematics regarding the Klein bottle, and also do a further study about Klein bottle as a form of wormholes, and observing another universe through the ring holes and the Klein bottle holes that based on a research conducted in 2011. Thank you so much for having me. Have a good day.